everyone, myself Apurva Nair, finally BD student from Bharati Vidyapit Dental College, Pune, Maharashtra. You are never fully dressed without a smile on your face. And with right care, you can protect your smile and it can last for a longer time. But there are many problems like diseases, decay, and injury which can damage your teeth and it may ruin your smiles. But there are many dental procedures which can protect your teeth from all these diseases and make your teeth healthier. So one of the example is root canal treatment. So I'm going to explain you what is the root canal treatment, why is it needed to be done, and what is the procedure involved. Root canal treatment, it is a common procedure which is prescribed by your dentist or endodontist for your damaged tooth. And it is very effective procedure in relieving pain and infection and making your teeth healthier. So basically, what is a root canal treatment? It is a treatment designed to eliminate the debris and bacteria from your infected root canals, and it also prevents the reinfection and saves your natural tooth. In simpler words, the infected or the inflamed pulp, it is removed from the root canals, and then the cleaning of the canals is done, and then it is disinfected. Finally, filling and sealing with temporary restoration is done. So, how do you know if you need a root canal treatment? So there are some symptoms that mean you might need a root canal treatment. So the first and the common symptom involved is deeply decayed tooth. Dental decay, it is one of the most prevalent and chronic disease that affects people worldwide. It is a destruction of the tooth surface which is caused by the action of the bacteria and acid production. So as you all know, a tooth consists of a crown and a root, and it also consists of 4 basic parts, that is enamel, which covers the outer surface of the crown and it is the hardest part, and comes the dentine, which is underneath the enamel, and then comes the pulp, which is a vital tissue as it contains blood vessels and nerve fibers, and finally the cementum, which covers the root of the tooth. So this dental decay, it may either involve enamel or enamel and dentine, and it may also approach or involve pulp. So when the pulp is involved, the inflammation of there is inflammation in the pulp, and this inflammation extends into the root canals and there is infection. So this is where the root canal treatment is prescribed. So your dentist evaluates your decayed tooth and then interpretation of the x-rays is done. So if there is grossly decayed tooth and if the pulp is infected, the root canal treatment is recommended. So what is the procedure involved in the root canal treatment? It is very simple procedure that relieves you from the pain and also infection. So the first step involved is anesthesia, that is your dentist may inject anesthesia around your infected tooth so that there is no pain felt. And the second step is isolation, which is very important step in every dental procedure, so that it prevents the contamination of the dental procedures or the materials involved in the procedure with saliva, and also makes your tooth dry and clean. This is done with the help of a rubber dam, which is usually a rubber sheet. And then the next step is the opening is made on the crown until the infected pulp is seen. And the fourth step is the infected or the inflamed pulp is removed with the help of small instruments called as files, and then the cleaning and shaping of the canals is done. And the next step is disinfectant is irrigated into these canals to rinse out the debris and the bacteria, and also some of the antibiotics can also be used to prevent the infection. The next step is filling of the canals. Filling of the canals is done with the help of some of the materials like obturating materials, for example gutta percha. And the final step is sealing. It is done with the help of temporary restoration. So this treatment and so this procedure, it is usually completed within 1 to 3 appointments. Like it is based on your condition of your teeth and also your personal circumstances. So the final step, which is most important in the root canal treatment, is follow-up after your root canal treatment. So it is you will feel a soreness after the numbing medication, that is anesthesia wears off. So it is very normal. So your dentist prescribes you some of the painkillers and also antibiotics, and you'll see your regular dentist within a few days after your root canal treatment. They'll take an x-ray to make sure that the infection is gone, and they'll also replace the temporary filling with permanent filling. If you prefer, the dentist may place the permanent crown on your tooth. This crown can be made up of porcelain, metal or gold, and it may give you a realistic appearance, also prevent the fracture of your tooth. And it may take you several weeks to get used to how the tooth feels after the procedure, and this is very normal and it is no need to be worried about that. So This is all about the root canal treatment, and it is very important to visit your dentist regularly and get your dental checkup done. So I conclude my topic. Life is very short, so smile while you still have your teeth. Thank you.